Can I retire now with all the money and the retirement funds that I have accumulated? Very common questions. So I'm going to show you a case study. 48 years old client desires to retire soon. This is what exactly she said. When? 1 year from now, right? And in total, has accumulated about 1.8 million, including his recent retrenchment benefit. The portfolio is not high risk, right? Expected return 6% a year. Very realistic, very doable, very achievable. Expects to withdraw about 10,000 a month, which is very common for a lifestyle today in an urban city. This AI retirement calculator and tool gives you a year-by-year breakdown of how the entire retirement numbers will look like every year, because it shows the end balance each year after withdrawal and after investment returns. If you summarize for you, what are the key findings and also provide suggestions to improve the outcome. Now, in this scenario, if you have 1.8 million today and you're 10,000 a month, inflation adjusted at 3% a year, your money is expected to run out at 69. Now, in other words, the answer is no. You cannot retire now with the money that you have, right? If you insist of spending 10,000 per month from your post-retirement lifestyle, sometimes it's not by choice, but out of necessity. So what can you do, right? You can really plan ahead. Say work another 7 more years, adding about 50,000 a year more to your retirement pension or your retirement fund or any investment portfolio from today, age 48, until age 55. Then your retirement only starts at 56. When you start to withdraw from your retirement fund, still at 10,000 a month or 120,000 a year from age 56. If you want to do this AI retirement calculator will revise this entire retirement fund analysis for you, and you can clearly see how the numbers look like with this working more years and delaying or postponing your retirement. The revised scenario shows you that you can really last until 110 years old, but nobody expects to live that long, right? Therefore, the ideal scenario would be somewhere in between. Instead of working 7 more years, you can plan to work another 3 or 4 more years, and the outcome would be somewhere in between these two scenarios that I've shown you, right? Giving you the right balance between working not the entire 7 more years, but cut that by half, while still not risk of running out of money at 69, and you still have enough time to enjoy your post-retirement life. In practice, though, you may not need to increase withdrawal by exactly 3% a year, and that is for you to decide, right? And the other thing is adjusting your withdrawal from your retirement fund based on your actual needs could also further extend your entire retirement fund sustainability. With this AI retirement calculator, you could adjust all these variables and see how different scenarios look like, at the tap of your fingertips.